What is up, my nuggets? Today we are going to be doing an interesting makeup. It's going to be a little bit different, and there's kind of like a theme to it, which is the first time I've done something like that. I'm basically putting it around this look. Kind of like a rave style, and I know what you're thinking, this isn't really a rave outfit, but being naked on social media isn't exactly okay. So this is about as good as it's gonna get. I've already done all of the beauty part, as you can see. I didn't film that because, I mean, honestly, it's kind of painful to see me do beauty makeup because it takes really, really long. If you guys want to see it next time, maybe I'll do the beauty before the gross. But I'm gonna make it look like I got shot by a confetti cannon right here. So let's get started. First, we're going to need to take a glue stick to block out our eyebrows so we don't rip them out. Let's start by wiping off our eyebrow. Now we're going to be taking the glue stick and covering our eyebrow with it, and also some of our hairline. Now just take some translucent powder and powder over it, and continue repeating the process until you have your eyebrow and hairline fully covered. Now start by covering a small area of your face with the latex. Now, grab a cotton ball and unroll it and start taking little pieces and putting it on your face where you put the latex. And then just cover that cotton in more latex and repeat the process until you have a wound as big as you want. And pull on some of the pieces so you get a more chunky texture. And grab your hair dryer so you can speed up the drying process. Alright, now go ahead and grab your favorite foundation and start covering the wound with it. And go ahead and set the makeup with your favorite foundation powder or translucent powder. Now go ahead and grab your favorite paints. Grab a makeup sponge and start pulling at it so you can create a texture. First, we're going to dip into some purple so we can get started on bruising. Now just dab that all around the wound and on top of it. Now go ahead and do the same thing with some red. And if you're using water-activated paints like I am, you can grab some water and fade out some of the harsher spots. Now we're going to dip into the black to darken the bruising and also create a burned, ashy look. Now grab some Scab blood and cover the wound with it. But don't put too much on or you'll cover up all the work you just did. Now I'm just going back and fixing a couple little details that I thought might have gotten covered up after we did the Scab blood. Now grab some of your favorite liquid blood so we can make the wound look fresh. add some splatter and some smearing as well as the drips, so then you can make it look more realistic. Now it's time to add some glitter. No rave is complete without it. Well, here's the finished look, and I clearly have ruined my shirt. I'm hoping and praying this comes out. Let's be honest, I don't think it's gonna. Okay, and there you go. You have a very, very glittery head wound. It's a fun one for parties, you know, get-togethers, gatherings. Okay? It was great talking to you. It was great entertaining you guys for a couple minutes, and I'll see you next one. Later, dudes!